This is a monthly test of the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS relay network. This system is activated to quickly provide warnings during emergencies or to inform listeners of a group icon status change. Regular tests of the system are conducted on the first day of every month at 12:15 p.m. Central Time. Additionally, network participants may originate their own tests on a weekly basis, either at a scheduled time or random times throughout the week. Weekly tests originating from the network's squawk system are conducted once a week on random dates and times. The following tones will conclude this monthly test of the Global Weather and EAS Society's EAS relay network.